Hi everyone. For today, I will teach you on how to deal with exponents that are negative. So this is one of the things you need to remember in algebra. If the exponent is negative, we can actually make a way to make that exponent positive. Okay, and the rule there, general rule is if we have 1 over x raised to negative n, that is equal to x raised to n. Also, if we have x raised to negative n, that equals to 1 over x raised to n. So that's the general rule of the negative exponents. So for example, here we have x raised to negative 7 over x raised to negative 6 times x raised to 4. So we want to make that negative 7 positive, right? Look at what will happen here. Okay, I'm gonna place that in the denominator like that. And then the ones in the denominator, I will put that in the numerator. There you go. So now that all the exponents are positive, we can now simplify this. So this is x raised to 6 over x raised to 7 plus 4. So x raised to 6 over x raised to 11. And then the higher exponent is in the denominator, so what's left in the numerator will just be 1 over x raised to 11 minus 6, which is equal to 1 over x raised to 5. Okay? And that's this one. Right, let's go to the next example. So x raised to negative 3, x squared y raised to 7 over y raised to 6. All right, so here, the first thing we need to do is we can actually add negative 3 plus 2 because both of the x's are in the numerator. We can do that. But after we do that, we need to make sure that the exponent is positive because in this case, I can see that the exponent after we do that will be negative. So let's do that first, I think. Okay, so this is x raised to negative 3 plus 2. Again, we can do that. Then y raised to 7 minus 6 over 1. Okay? And of course, we all know that negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. And this is y raised to 1 over 1. Now we want the exponents to be positive, so we will place that x raised to negative 1 in the denominator. And the problem, or the answer rather, will be equal to y raised to 1. Again, there's no need for us to write the 1. And then x raised to 1, which is the second option again. All right, let's go to the last problem. Okay, so x raised to negative 3 over x raised to 3 times x raised to negative 7. Again, here, what I will do is I will make the exponents positive first. So that x raised to negative 7 in the denominator, I will place that here in the numerator. And then the x raised to negative 3 in the numerator will be placed in the denominator, which is x raised to positive 3. So this is x raised to 7 over x raised to 3 plus 3, right, which is equal to 6. So x raised to 7 over x raised to 6 is x raised to 7 minus 6, which is x. And that's the last option. So there you go.